Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And before we started, I wanna say thank you for your support, bros. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts for every application you download via Gspace. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do, of course, is download Gspace with all necessary files. So go to the description of this video and there is a link, so tap on that link and the link takes you to my website, to this site. On the site, scroll a bit down until you see Gspace with Google Play icon hack. Tap on it, it will open Mediafire, tap on consent right here and tap on this big blue button and tap on download right here. And the file will be downloaded. Okay, download is complete. Now go back. Now open your files application, this one, so tap on it. Phone, internal storage, download, open it, and this is the file. We download it, so tap on it and hold the finger on it for about 2 seconds. Now tap on more, right here, and extract to. And choose current location, tap on OK, and the file is extracted. Now go into this file, Gspace icon Phonetech, and tap on Gspace right here. Tap on install, the app is OK, install, and tap on open. Now tap on start right here, the green button, and tap on allow. And the application is loading at this moment, so we have to wait. And we almost there, as you can see, almost 60%. By the way, this is the new Realme GT with 888 Snapdragon. I'm looking forward to unbox this beast. Realme GT. So almost there. This is the P40 Pro Plus. 99. Wayne Gretzky, 99. Great NHL player. Okay. Go back. Now install this application, the shortcut maker. Tap on install. Okay, tap on done. Open the application, shortcut maker. Okay, go back. Again, go to files, and this is the shortcut for Google Play, so tap on it. Tap on other right here, and search for shortcut maker. Tap on it, tap on always, and tap on create shortcut right here, and now tap on add. And we have shortcut for our Google Play. So now we have to log in with our Gmail Google account. So tap on this very nice icon. Okay, tap on sign in right here, this button. Again, I have to repeat myself, don't use Gspace. Google Play Protect is turned on. Don't use Gspace with your primary Google account, and don't use with this method your credit cards, etc. Use your secondary account and you will be fine. Don't use your primary account. Okay, now I have to log in with my Gmail. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now tap on I agree right here. I don't want this, so tap on more, accept, and this is the Google Play on your Huawei or on a device without GMS, aka without the native Google Play. So, as you can see, this is the Google Play. I close everything from the memory, and if I want download something, just all I have to do is just tap on this icon, the Play Google, and the Google Play. That's okay. the Google Play is open and I can download all I want. So I have to, now I will show you how to create shortcuts for the applications you download. So I have to download this YouTube, and and we can download the WhatsApp also, and Instagram. Okay, now we have to wait until the apps are downloaded. The YouTube is almost there. For creating shortcuts, it's important open the Gspace folder. So we have to search for the Gspace, this application, this icon. So tap on it, and it opens this environment. The first page and the second page is here, and as you can see, the YouTube and WhatsApp are already downloaded. Now it's downloading the Instagram. So now I will show you how to create shortcuts for all applications. Oh, sorry. Go back. So we have these 3, 6, 9 applications on this screen, and what to do if I want shortcut for YouTube. So this is finger. This is the icon. Tap on the icon and hold the finger on it, and you will see the menu will pop up, and this here is create shortcut. So tap on create shortcut and tap on add. Go back, and as you can see, we have a shortcut for YouTube application. So no longer need to open Gspace folder and tap on this icon to open the YouTube application. All we have to do is go straight from this shortcut to YouTube. Tap on it, and we are in a YouTube application. It's very simple, very easy. So if I want a shortcut for other application, again I have to open the Gspace. We have here the upgrade. Again, WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Pop-up the pop-up menu will pop up, and again all I have to do is tap on the create shortcut right here, and again tap on add, and we have WhatsApp shortcut on home screen. For Instagram, the same, bros. Tap on it, hold the finger on it until it vibrates, and now again you have to choose create shortcut. Boom shakalaka. Tap on add, and we have shortcuts for these 3 applications. We can upgrade the application. If I tap again on the YouTube right here and tap on upgrade, there is no update for this application, but you can update the apps by tapping on it, hold the finger on it, and choose upgrade, and the application will be updated if the update will be available, of course. So I go back, and as you can see, we have shortcuts for the free applications I downloaded 5 minutes ago. All I have to do is open the applications, Phonetech, and play the video. If I want to use my WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp and use the application. If you want to use Instagram, tap on Instagram, and the Instagram will be open, and you can use the application. This is the first launch, Instagram launch. Okay, we are here finally. So from here I can log in to my Instagram channel, and I can use my Instagram, but I don't like Instagram. This is very easy, very easy. Once more application, bros. Again, go to your Gspace, this application, Go back. Gspace. I will show you the shortcut for Gmail. Install Gmail. I know my English is terrible, but it is what it is, bros. I'm sorry. But I will improve. I promise you. So, Gmail is installing right now, and we have Gmail installed. So again, go to Gspace folder right here. The Gmail is installed already. So tap on it and hold the finger on it until it vibrates. And now we have here the pop-up window, and tap on create shortcut right here, and now tap on add, and you we have the Gmail shortcut on the home screen. It's very easy. You can do this for every application you download via the Gspace application, via the Gspace method. I recommend you the Gspace with your secondary account, but don't use the Gspace with your primary account. Don't use with the application with your primary account. So I do hope you ended up enjoy the video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support because we are already over 50k subscribers. A big thank you. It's your success. Thank you so much. I'm speechless. Thank you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do it now. And as always, bros, stay safe. Peace out.